Hello everyone, a very good evening all of you. So today in this video we are going to learn about India Maldives relationship. So in this video we will learn about highlights, introduction, importance of Maldives for India, historical relations between two countries, the bilateral assistance that has been provided to Maldives from Indian side. We will also look about defense cooperation, major concerns between two countries relations, and at the end the way forward. So let's begin with a question. This is a very important question for all the aspirant, whether in the written examination for NDA, CDS, UPSC prelims and CAPF. So which channel separates the Lakshadweep from Maldives? First option is 9-degree channel, second option is 8-degree channel, third option is 5-degree channel, and fourth is 2-degree channel. Then if you know the answer, then please write the answer in the comment section. Even if you don't know, then please go and search on the Google and come here and write the answer in the comment box, and I will provide the answer of this question at the end of this video. So moving forward to the highlights, then in April 2020, amid lockdown, Indian Air Force airlifted around 6.2 tons of essential medicines to Maldives under the Operation Sanjeevani. So friends, after the COVID-19 pandemic and the universal lockdown, India extended and support to Maldives, under which our Indian Air Force given an assistance to Maldives with 6.2 tons of medicinal equipment and medicines, and India to build 500 million US dollar infrastructure project, the Greater Malay Connectivity Project in Maldives. Friends, this is a very important and ambitious project of Maldives, under which they will be connecting their capital, the Malé, with one industrial corridor and one very famous and most important port of the Maldives. So this will boost the economy of Maldives and also the India Maldives relations. So looking here, the Delhi's total aid to Malé exceeds 2 billion US dollar as Maldives return to India first. So friends, if you don't know, then let me tell you that Maldives, they have a policy, the government policy, that they will look forward India as a first. They will give preference to India under the India first policy. Now moving forward to the introduction. So we all know that Maldives is a small island country in the Arabian Sea. It is an archipelago consists of 1192 islands. If you don't know the meaning of archipelago, then archipelago is simply a group of islands. For example, you can see that Lakshadweep Island, the group of Lakshadweep Islands is also an archipelago, and even the Japan, the country of Japan is an archipelago country. So this is the simple meaning of archipelago. So capital of Maldives is Malé, currency is rupiah, and population is very less, 5.16 lakh. Now the economy of Maldives is very small, it is 5.8 billion US dollar, and you can see that India has extended support of 2 billion US dollar to Maldives. So it is a great support for Maldives from Indian side. Now moving forward to the importance of Maldives for India. Actually, there is a government policy of Maldives that they will give the first preference to India in their international relations. So they accept India under the India's first policy, and India's policy is neighborhood first policy. So under the neighborhood first policy, India takes care of its neighborhood and especially to Maldives. In fact, after Prime Minister Narendra Modi re-elected as a PM post in India, he made his first visit to the country of Maldives. It is important for India for energy lanes because the Maldives ensures uninterrupted supply of energy to India. Friends, we know that most of the trade of India, it happens through that region of Maldives. In fact, more than 97% of India's international trade by volume and 75% by value passes through this region. So this is very important for India to ensure the safety and security in the state of Maldives, and also no other country have larger sphere of influence over the islands of Maldives. Recently we had seen that China influence was rising in the country Maldives, and it was a dangerous for India because China could cut off the supply, the trade route of India by this assistance, by this strategic aid. So This is why Maldives is very important for India. Now moving forward to the historical relations, then India was the first among few nations to recognize Maldives after its independence in 1965. Friends, we know that Maldives became an independent nation in the year 1965, and India was the first nation to recognize Maldives as an independent country and establish diplomatic relations. And since then both the countries share close strategic, military, economic and cultural ties, and in fact there was a small dispute over the island of Minicoy. The minute dispute over Minicoy Island was resolved in 1976. Now the bilateral assistance that has been provided to Maldives from Indian side. Then first and famous one is Operation Cactus. The Indian Armed Forces helped the government of Maldives in neutralization of the coup attempt in 1988. Friends, if you don't know, then let me explain you that in the year 1988 some forces of the People's Liberation Organization of Tamil Eelam, with the support of one businessman of Mali, they wanted to do coup in the country Mali, and they wanted to replace the government of Abdullah Gayoom. So they asked the help for India, and India sent its paratroopers military of 1600 personnel, and they neutralized the coup attempt in the state in the country of Maldives. Operation Need, then Mali drinking water crisis in 2014. We know that Maldives is an island country and it is surrounded by oceans, so they have the saline water in abundance but no drinking water. So they had only one, the drinking water plant, the desalination plant, which was destroyed in 2014. They asked for India, and India immediately sent 1.2 thousand liters of drinking water in 2014. And India also sent its ships, major ships such as INS Deepak, INS Sukanya, to provide an assistance to Mali. The Indian ships, they they established the desalination plant for many days, and to make sure that Maldives keep getting the drinking water. And India had provided large scale assistance to Maldives in 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. The financial aids of over 2 billion US dollar over 2 years. We know that after the Ibrahim Muhammad Soli became the president of Mali, we have a very good relations. So India is providing financial aid and assistance to Mali. Within 2 years, India have provided 2 billion US dollar assistance to Mali. Now looking about the defense cooperation, then in India and Maldives have a joint military exercise. The name is Ecoverin. This was held in Pune, India, and India provides the largest number of training opportunities for Maldives Defense Forces. In fact, India completes around 70% of their defense training requirements. So, Maldives is heavily dependent on India for their training of their defense forces. Now, this is all about India and Maldives relations. Looking forward to the way forward, then we have learned that India and Maldives share ethnic, linguistic, cultural, religious, and commercial links. So, this is very important for both the countries to maintain good and harmonious relations, because this is only important for India as well as Maldives for their economic growth. We learned that the Maldives ensure uninterrupted supply of international trade and energy supply of oil and natural gas to India by their route. So they are important for India's economic growth, and India is providing assistance and immediate help in any time of crisis to Maldives. So both countries are important for each other, and it is also important for peace of Indian Ocean region. India is a greatest player in the Indian Ocean, and Maldives can play and cooperate with India to provide and maintain the peace in the Indian Ocean region. So this is all in this video. Now coming to this question, that which channel separate Lakshadweep from Maldives? Then options are 9-degree channel, 8-degree channel, 5-degree channel and 2-degree channel. Friends, answer will be the 8-degree channel. 8-degree channel separates Lakshadweep and Maldives. Lakshadweep an island of India and Maldives an independent country. And friends, 10-degree channel separates Andaman Islands with Nicobar Island. That's all. Thank you.